Hello, good morning. So today is Friday. I usually don't work on Friday at my normal job. So today I actually am doing an extra shift, but I'm doing in mental health. So I'm gonna be a mental health nurse tonight. By the way, I will be working, as I said, in a mental health unit, but I'll be specifically working in eating disorder unit. So before I even done my nursing degree, I used to be an HCA in an eating disorder unit, and well, obviously I enjoy that. I enjoy eating disorder, just because I find it's quite complicated, and I find it quite, I don't know, it's very different from other mental health disorder. Obviously, I don't know if you're aware, but eating disorder is the most is one of the disorders that kills a lot of mental health patients. So out of all the mental health condition, eating disorder is the highest mortality rate. Because it's such a complicated illness, and it's so difficult sometimes for the girls to recover, or the boys as well to recover. So I've always found it quite stressful, and it can be sometimes draining. I love it when I'm able to get through to the girls and I see improvement in the life, or in the eating habits and things like that, because obviously with eating disorder you have to be able to it's not just about the eating. Okay, everyone can force themselves to eat a little bit more, but if you haven't changed your mindset, or haven't been able to understand in the eating disorder and how you can manage it, and it's really difficult then to have a full recovery. But anyway, that's what I will be tonight. I'm just gonna, as I said, I'll go and have breakfast, and then I will go back to bed. But I will see you guys again when I wake up, before I go ready. Hello. So just waking up now. It's 20 to 7, so actually I'm a bit late. I need to hurry up. Just gonna go have a shower and then get dressed and leave. Okay, it's now 22:08, and I'm gonna leave the house now and make my way to the hospital. Food wise, because it's only gonna be this one night shift, and I'm not gonna do another night shift tomorrow, or and I've not done a night shift for a long time. I'm not gonna actually eat a proper meal, but what I'll do, I'll take a couple of yogurts with me and a couple of biscuits in case I get hungry. Then I can eat that. them at the unit now. It's time for them to have supper, so I'm just gonna like prep the supper, whatever they gonna eat and drink. So they have a hot drink, some of them have a cold drink. So now we just finished the meal for supper. Go talking quietly because I don't want them to hear me. But we just did the supper. I did a one-to-one supper with a girl that unfortunately is COVID positive, so she's in her bedroom. And yeah, that's finished. I'm just gonna now wash all the cups and put in the wash machine, the dishwasher, and then I will tidy up. Midnight. All the prep for breakfast is done. What have I got left? There's nothing else to do. Medication have been done by another staff member. The girls have gone to sleep, and now this really is just documenting and checking on them even now every hour because they are on a hourly check. And then I don't know, just do some paperwork to check if all the section paper are up to date. And